Hi guys, today I am going to explain you square pattern and rectangle pattern here. So I'm going to explain you in the easiest way, which will help you to do this pattern in easy way. So what we have to do first? First we have to take the class here. So let the class name is main, and now we are going to take main method. So how we will write this one? Public static void main string then args. After this, we will take the nested loop. Here the nested loop stands for loop inside loop. Let's take it this one for int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to how much. So we have to calculate, how many rows is there. So I told you before, like we have to take the nested loop. So this nested loop will be the two for loop. So first for loop will represent your rows. So we have to calculate, we have to count how many rows is there. So we can see here we have the three rows, 1, 2, 3. What will give here? Three rows. Now, what will write here? I plus plus. Similarly, for the column, we have to give the for loop. So here I am taking j as a variable and I'm storing 1. J is less than equal to how much? 3 j plus plus. Okay. Now let we will leave this like this only. Okay, I will tell you why. After this, after this loop, we have to take one printing statement, and this printing statement, why I took this printing statement, I will tell you. Now what we have to print, we have to print a star. Let's take a star here. Okay, let's run it. So here we can observe like this is printed three times, 3 star, 3 star, 3 star. Okay, but it is coming, vertical. Why it is coming vertical? Some people they do mistake. We have to change this println to print. So if you are giving the print here, now you can see three times. It is now printing three times star, then second row, then the third row. Let's do the some beautification here. Now see it. Okay, we have printed this star. Now let me explain one more time what I did. Whenever you will get this pattern program, what you have to do, you have to take the you have to take the nested loop, and the first loop will represent your rows and the second will represent your columns. You can see here 3 3. Afterwards, what you have to print, you have to print the star, correct? So here you have to give the star. Okay, so what will happen, like if take the example, like if you are taking the 1, it will check whether the 1 is smaller than 3. It will say yes. It will come to this loop, and it will, this loop will goes up to 3 because you have given the 3 here. If it is 4 5 like that, it will print. So here we have given the 3, so it will print 3 times. You can see here it is a printed 3 times. But one thing you observe, after printing the third time, the arrow should come down, correct? So how it will come? Why it is coming? Because you have to print star star 3 time more. So how it will come? After completion of this loop, it will, you have to give the system dot print ln means line change. So it will come here, this your cursor. Again here it will go to this loop, and now I value is 2, correct? Now I 2 is less than 3, it will satisfied. And after that again this loop will run, and again it will change the line, it will come here, correct? and again it will become 3, 3 is less than 3 is equal to 3, correct? Afterwards this loop will run up to 3 times, correct? Now our I become 4, 4 is less than equal to 3, this is wrong, okay, it will not run. Then what will happen, the final result will be this one. Hope you understood this square program. Now coming to this rectangle program, in this what we have to do, we have to count how many rows is there. 2 rows is there, correct? So we will change in this section 2. How many columns we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make it as a 5 and run this one. You can see we are getting the 2 rows 5 column. So we have done only some changes in the row and the column part and we are getting. So I think now it is easy, correct? You have to take the 2 nested loop and you have to print what you want here and you have to change this line. Okay guys, if you like this video and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So subscribe and like my channel. So in the future also I'm coming with some this type of pattern program, and I will try to make it as in a simple way. Okay, thank you everyone.